Australia wants Disney XD number 9. Yes, that's true. The 9th Disney XD viral I'm doing. And I got an extra special. Fridge magnets. Yes. You might be able to put one on your fridge saying Australia wants Disney XD. I'm planning on sending some magnets and some stickers to Foxtel. Yes, that's true. In order to promote my message, I'm here that really deserve. Australia really does want Disney XD for the taking and for community. I'm having trouble watching Disney XD US on on the downloading sites because I'm having a bit of trouble. If you watch Disney XD anywhere in the world, let me comment, okay? I want some message. Disney XD, we want it. Australia, go and support it. Come on, show us. I dare you to. Peace out.